Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The reason I put this down here is because I wanted to show you what I got from Michaels and I didn't want to have to hold it up. Yes, now I went to Michaels for one thing, and that was to buy this paper here because it was on sale for $2. And I needed some pale yellow and some pale blue, and I didn't have the shade that I wanted. So I went in the shelf, and then, I checked my coupons to make sure if I had anything else to go with, and I did. In my reward box, I had an additional 20% off all my items, including sale items. So I went in there and I picked these up. This one is called Sugar Candy, and this one is called Dreamy. And I love both of them. I was going to get the one called Tea Party, but it was all pink, and this had the same pinks in it, but it also had this beautiful heather gray and this light blue and this beautiful teal. And then the Sugar Candy had this beautiful green in here, and I don't know, it's not coming off the right color, but that's the color of it right there. And this kind of an orangey color and another light blue and a baby yellow, which is what I really need, and a lavender. So I picked those up. Now these were on sale for $2, but since I got extra 20% off that $2, I only paid $1.60 for each one of these. So then, all this other stuff was on sale, and I wanted to try it out. The little tiered thing I made from the dollar store, one of my kiddos' moms wanted me to make her one, and but I don't have any more of the salt and pepper shaker bunny rabbits, and I haven't been able to find any. Haven't seen any from Dollar Tree at all. So I was looking at Michael's while I was there, and I found these little bunnies like this. And they're really cute. They were on sale for $1. As a matter of fact, all Easter stuff is 50% off this week. So I found these little bunnies, and they were $1. And with the extra 20% off, I got them for 80 cents. So I didn't pay full price for anything, guys. And then in case this worked, I just picked up some of these little picks. These are the most adorable little rabbit bunny butt things I've ever seen. They're so cute. So I did pick these up, and I only paid 80 cents for these as well. And then I picked up these little butterflies. I thought they were really pretty. I had a coupon for 60% off any Recollection stickers. And so I got these for, let me look on here. They were $3.19, and I got them for $1. Well, that was with the other extra 20% off. I got them for $1.15. So, and then Miss Lori and this $2 Capri yarn that she's been talking about, Miss Lori Seabrook. Hi, Lori. I thought I would pick up a roll of this to try it out. And there again, with the extra 20% off, I got it for $1.60. Now, here's the exciting stuff. I found this paper pack called Spring Posies, and it's so pretty. It's just lovely with the butterflies and the little blue flowers. And these, it's just these are foil. And it's just a very pretty pad like this. And these were not on sale, but I used my 50% off on it. These were $5. And I used my 50 off coupon on it, and so I only paid $2.50 for that. Then, this was the deal right here. Their Hot Buy papers are at the lowest price ever. They're $5, right? So I found two that I really like. This one is called Let's Get Lost, and it's a travel one. And it is so freaking cute. I mean, it is just darling. And I thought this would be so cool to do a travel album with. If I ever get to go to London and Paris, but I may use it for something else too. I just never know. And look how stinking cute these are. And I love this one. So this one is going to be saved as a scrapbook journal. Album. Or it might be a journal, but whatever, it's going to be saved. And I love this adventure log. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? And then this blue. So yes, I am going to hoard this until I can travel. Because I will be doing a scrapbook. Even though y'all don't think y'all have ever seen me scrapbook before. Look at this with the airplanes. Oh, to die for. But I used to scrapbook a lot, but I don't anymore. But I did buy a scrapbook a while back. I know a year, 2 years ago when we were all in the Paris craze stuff. It wasn't last year because last year I didn't shop at Michael's, so I was on a freeze. But I thought I would just use and make a beautiful travel thing if I ever got to travel. But look at this. Now these are like little frames that you can actually put like little pictures in. How flippin' cute is that? That is just too cute. And then that's the last. So that is that. Here's the best part. These were $5 and then I got an extra discount and I got these pads for $4. $4 stinking dollars. I couldn't believe it. And then I got the big one of the little one that I got right here. The Spring Posies. And this one is just, this one really is beautiful. It's got all, I mean, just, I thought about Lori Seabrook when I saw these. Make today beautiful. I hope, Lori, that you got one of these. Look at that. And even if you don't scrapbook, you can cut these apart and just do all kinds of things with them. I'm trying to flip them together. Most of these are the same as in the little one, but there's some that didn't come in the little one that come with this one. Like this page here. Look at these. They're pretty. I wish they were double-sided. I love this page. I can't decide if this is a green or a type of a blue. But it might be green. There's just tiny little butterflies. And look at all the terrariums with that. Look at this page. Isn't that beautiful? And then look at these. You get the color parts. That get 4 6x6 color parts. This is blue. Look at this one. That is just lovely. Can't complain. $4. And then here's the color parts on these. And I just think these are so pretty. I love that. Find beauty in everything. Lovely and free. Have a good time. And look at this bunny with the floral design on it. Look at those. So you get 2 pages of everything. This is my least favorite page, but this may get ripped out and used in my coffee journal. Have a good time. Now, I would use these pages. I know Lori uses these pages. She cuts them up and uses them flowers. I would use these pages borders, like corner borders on something. And look at these beautiful butterflies. They're pink and yellow and blue. Have a tiny bit of green in them. And then this. And look at all these little posies. Are those not cute? And then this is like a border page. It's beautiful. I love that with the rabbits and the butterflies going across and the little flowers with the little label there. And then here's one in kind of a mint green with the flowers. And this one says Find Beauty in Everything. This is that big page. This is really pretty. And y'all, I just love this coloration going down here. It is so beautiful how those colors just blend in so pretty together. And, you know, it's been a while since I shopped, okay? You know, I just... and then this page right here. I love this page right here. It's just, it's got little white butterflies all over it with a pink background. And it's like clouds. It's very ethereal. And I think that's it. Yep. So, that is my little haul from Michael's. I didn't, like I said, I'm really proud of myself. I didn't go overboard. I could have, but I knew my wallet wouldn't let me, so. Yep, so that's my little haul. And I'm so proud of myself. You know, it was $20.67. So I made a choice this week to either, because I allow myself $20 a week for crafts and stuff, and not counting Dollar Tree because, you know, I'm funded by Dollar Tree managers, but this is what I decided to spend my $20 on. And I don't spend that every week. Some weeks that $20 goes to pay a bill. But I had $20 this week and I wanted to spend it on some crafts, and I chose to spend it all at Michael's. But, I mean, how could you not? Look, I got two 12x12 paper pads, a 4.5x7 paper pad, little bunny stickers, picks, yarn, really, for $20. And really under $20 because some of that was tax. $1.42 of it was tax. So, yep. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned. I'll have some more videos coming up. Yeah. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking that subscribe button over there. You know, that one right there. And make sure you tap the little bell right beside it that says, hello. I would like to watch your videos when you upload. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'm going to be silly now. I'm getting ready to head out and start crafting. And I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye.